Hello friends and new friends. Today we are going to make an acrylic beaded bracelet using daisy spacer beads. I'm actually using a bracelet beading tray this time, and I am using the 18cm, and it starts at 13cm, so a child, and goes up to 21. Here's the beads that I'm using and the order that I've put them in. Here are the daisy spacer beads. This is a mixed colour bag. And I'm using some 0.8 stretchy elastic. That's 0.8mm. And I'm going to cut 12 inches. I always cut 12 inches, even though we are only going to use about just over 7 inches. Take a cutters, cut the elastic. You can just use scissors if you have them, and these beading trays are really inexpensive. This is just a plastic one and it works absolutely fine. This is a bulldog clip, and I put this at the end of the elastic to stop your beads from falling off. And I'm going to use a beading needle. This is a 3-inch beading needle. They open in the middle. Just thread the elastic on. And then we start adding the beads. So we have new subscribers. Hello, it's lovely to have you here. I've got lots of other tutorials available. Most of the supplies you see me using are available on my website, which is www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk. I'll put the link in the description below, and I also have an Etsy store, and I'll put the link below to that too. There, that's the pattern I'm following. I'm just going to speed this up. I think the daisy beads, the spacer beads, really set it off. Whether you're making necklaces and earrings as well. So have a look, if you are new, have a look at the other tutorials available. Please like and subscribe to the video. I have lots more planned. And just leave a message in the description if there's something you want to know, and I'll do my best to explain and show you. But my tutorials are ideal for beginners. I do know there are some very talented jewellery makers out there. turn the tray. I can actually hear a dog barking in the distance. I'm not sure if it will be picked up on here. But I don't own a dog. Okay, the last bead. Let's move the tray up the way. So this is what it looks like. So I remove the needle. Remove the bulldog clip, and then I give it a really good stretch. And then we're ready for tying. So we are going to tie like we do in our shoelaces. The first bit. And then we are going to tie again, but we are going to go through twice. There's the normal, and then we're going to go through again and create a surgeon's knot. I'll put a photo for you to show you. I always tie 2 extra knots on mine. And then I tie a knot the other way to tie in the shoelace, just backwards, and then a normal knot again, like tying the shoelace, and then pull. And then we snip the spare elastic off. And there is our bracelet. I do hope you like this tutorial. Remember, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and check out the website if you do want to buy any supplies. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.